Hello everyone, my name is Japneet, and from today on, my videos content will be more focused towards life in Canada. Yes, I have recently moved to Canada and I am currently living in Abbotsford that falls in British Columbia. And today's video is going to be about how I cracked my ICBC knowledge test in the very first go. And I scored really good marks. So yes, let's get started. So let's discuss about the format of the knowledge test. So first of all, your knowledge test consists of 50 questions if you're appearing in British Columbia. Different provinces have different set of questions, different number of questions. But in British Columbia, if you're appearing, then you'll be getting 50 questions. The passing percentage of the test is 80%. That means you'll have to get 40 answers correct. And now talking about the time, it might take you 30 to 40 minutes to complete the test. Within this time limit, you'll be able to crack your test. The type of questions that you'll be getting in your test will be multiple choice questions. Yes, that's a good news. You don't have to learn the answers or anything. You'll be getting options, and out of them you'll have to choose one option. So that is multiple choice questions. So appointment can be booked in two different ways. The first thing is you can go to the ICBC office and get an appointment for the test, or you can book an appointment by sitting at home. You can go to the website of ICBC, the link of which I'll be providing in the description. You can book an appointment online as well. If you think that you're not fluent in English that much, then there's a good news for you guys. The test is taken in various different languages. The languages are Arabic, Croatian, French, Mandarin, Russian, Spanish, Vietnamese, Punjabi, Farsi, English, and Cantonese. So that's a good news. You can book your test in any language you feel comfortable. The questions will be based on road signs, safe driving tips, and the rules and regulations that are going to be implemented while you're going to be driving on the Canadian roads. So how to prepare in order to crack your test in the very first go? You need to understand one thing, that it is your knowledge test, your knowledge about driving on the Canadian roads. So for that, I'll be giving you a very good option, and that is this. So you'll be getting this manual. This is basically Learn to Drive Smart manual that is available at ICBC office for free. You can get it from there, or you can download it from the ICBC app. So this manual is very important. It's very important to read each and every chapter from this manual. This manual contains around 7, or you can take 10 chapters. So each and every chapter is very, very important. Don't think that you can skip the first one or the last one. Questions get formed from every chapter. So every chapter contains high significance. So yes, don't forget to read each and every line from every chapter. At least go through it once. It is very important because you never know which line can become a question in your test. One more thing that I would like to mention over here, and which is very important, is that in your book, when you're reading the book, you'll get these sidebars. So these are very, very important. Many a time I have seen questions getting formed from these sidebars. So do not miss these. Underline the important facts from here. Yes, you don't have to memorize the researches or any surveys. They won't be asked in the questions. But yes, your knowledge, any question, anything that might show your knowledge about how to drive on roads, what to do, what not to do. So those things will be highly emphasized in the test. Also, there are many words in the questions, for example, yield and other many different words, which we sometimes do not come across in our day-to-day lives, especially when you have come from a country like India. You do not really know about these words. So it's very important to read these words and understand their meaning. You can use a dictionary to understand their meaning properly, because otherwise you may remain confused and you might end up getting a wrong answer. So it's very important to understand the terminologies that are used in your test. Now, there are a number of things that you guys need to know before you start preparing for your test that will definitely help you score very high in your test. So the first thing is, there are practice tests that are available online. So make sure you practice those tests. At least you undertake around 25 to 30 tests so that you get a command over the test. The more you practice the test, you would know what type of questions are asked, and that will help you build the confidence of yours. So do not forget to practice at least 25 to 30 tests before your actual test. And now the last tip, and that is, when you're taking the test, you can skip the answer in case you feel you're not confident with the answer. Yes, do not just rush to answer mark the answer even if you feel that this might not be correct or something. Do not take chances because you can skip it. You can answer it later on, or if you have already answered the 40 questions correct, then you might not even get the question again. So yes, you can skip the answers, the questions, and you can go to the next one if you feel that you're not confident with the answer. So one very important tip now over here, since the questions will be in the form of multiple choice questions. So it is very important, if you follow the elimination method, that will increase your probability of getting a right answer by 90%. So how to use that method? First of all, read the question. Try to understand the demand of the question. So once you've understood the demand, then try to eliminate the options which you feel are completely unfit for the answer. So when you strike off the wrong options, you will be at the end, will be left with the correct answer. This technique has helped me and my husband both to crack the test in the very first go. And in any time, whenever I used to feel that I'm getting confused in any 2 options or 3 options, something, I used to eliminate the options which I used to feel that these are completely unfit. And I used to be left with the correct answer. Try using this tip and this will be very beneficial for you. So coming on towards the last segment, and that is when you're actually there for the test. Do not get confused, do not get nervous, be very confident, eat healthy food, take good sleep at night, and be very fresh in the morning or whenever you're going for the test. Be very fresh, light-minded, and then go to the test. And now I'm going to discuss about the things that you need to take with you for the test. So first of all, yes, you need to take your primary and secondary identification. Yes, you need it. Apart from that, if you are under 19 years of age, then you need your parent or your legal guardian with you for the test. And the last thing, yes, the driver's test fees. During the appointment, you might submit the fees over there only, and the fees in British Columbia is $15. So yes, you'll be submitting that fee. Apart from that, there is nothing that you need to take, no pen, pencil, because it is going to be on the computer. You'll be sitting over there. If you feel that you cannot stand for very long, you can even ask for a chair from the people around there. You can ask for a chair, and you can take the test. Also, if you feel that you have not understood a question, you can take guidance from the staff over there. They might definitely help you if you are in need of something. So all the best for your test. I hope my tips and tricks work for you. They have worked for me, for my husband, and many people around me. Do not forget to read the book. Do not forget to follow the tips that I've told you. Prepare it, go crack it. So there are lots of more videos, knowledgeable videos about the life in Canada coming your way soon. For that, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.